Hi everybody, I'm back. It's Artist King here again with another video. This one is also a very simple one. I'm trying to do a few videos that I believe will be very simple and the instructions will be easy to follow for anyone who wants to try. So this one is a simple piece that I'm doing. Now when you look at it, you can see that if this is something that you would have done, you can look at ways to do it different. You know, you can look at ways to change it up and make it a little more, you know, complex, complicated, or however you want to describe it. But like I said, I've been doing a few basic pieces so that people can get the gist, the basic idea of how these things are done. So enjoy the video, and I'll be back at the end. And also I try not to make these videos too long to lose your attention with all the details. So I've done it like a time lapse, but you can it's still very easy to follow the steps that you need to take to create something like this. Okay, so enjoy the video, and of course I'll be back at the end to say hi and bye again, okay? Okay guys, so like I said at the beginning, it was also another very simple one. The steps were easy to follow, and as you know, with this type of art, you can put your own spin on it. I use flowers. You can use whatever you want to do to add to it, or you can arrange the face differently. It's all up to you. So anyway guys, don't forget I post Tuesdays and Saturdays, sorry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and for coming back and watching again and again. So you have a good day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye now.